guys, and for today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a Valentine's theme intro via KineMaster. So if you don't have this template, then I'll be providing a link in the description below. Well, if in case I forgot to put on the link, so you can comment down in the comment section just to remind me. So thank you. So let's start. So select your aspect ratio, and then we'll go directly to adding the main background, which is the black. Okay, so in the main background we'll be just stretching it until around 13. So to move toward your animation, okay, let's start with our name of the channel, Joe. Okay, we'll be using different name. Okay, that's it. So it's just an example, guys. So we'll be selecting a font for that one. So the font that is best for that would be Valentine's Day will be something like this, something like heart. Okay, so heart stroke there. It will be changing the color to red just to put for our animation. So we'll try to put it into 9. Okay, that's it. And for the layers, we'll be adding a new plain black for our okay, and we'll be doing here cropping and mask. Okay, after putting up the mask, so we'll be adding a feather. Okay, like that. And we just resize this one. Okay, that's it. And we'll try to make the text, and that's it. The solid color, the color will be there, and we'll add directly our. Okay, we'll try to do our animation here. Or should we try to say we'll try to have the animation that I mentioned. So that will be in my folder. Okay, I've got in the wrong folder. So we'll be looking our animation template in my new intro folder and this one. So since that's it, so we'll be using a blending here on screen. Okay, and again try to grab this part here. You will just do this something like that. Okay, and just move it out there. And of course we'll be cutting our name aligned to the animation and including the stroke. Of course, for the animation, we'll try to start the animation out from here. So when it started, and it will end going here. Okay, let's try to play. So the animation is at the opposite direction. So all we need to do here is just go to the rotate and just flip up the animation. Okay, we'll try to play this one. And I think we need to make it bigger. Okay, something like that. So let's try. So our text goes up first. So okay, that's it. Take a little bit movement here. Okay, we'll try. Okay, that's it. So we'll try to play that one. Okay, and I think our animation runs too slow. So all you need to do here is maybe you just need to move it up there. Okay, so it starts. Okay, just a little bit there. Okay, okay, I think that will be good. We'll try to see. So it blinks, so we'll try to move a bit. Okay, we'll try to play it now. And still the animation of the name is very slow, so we'll try to change the ending here. So we'll change the animation, so we'll just get that one, and when it ends, so we'll have the solid color. Solid color must already be there. Okay. And we need more like this. And this must be done. Okay, try to play it again. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. So just a very simple tutorial, guys. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you've learned something new from this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you for my next video. And thank you and God bless. So that's all, guys.